In today's video, I will teach you how to remove a fake transparent background easily using Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea, then click File, and Open, and select the image with a fake transparent background from your computer. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the image directly into the Photopea window. Let's start with identifying the fake transparent background. So check for any solid color or unwanted areas around the subject. This is typically the fake transparent background that you want to remove. Now, select the Magic Wand tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen, or simply press W on your keyboard. Then click on the area of the transparent background to select it. Then hold down the Shift key and click on other areas of the background to add them to your selection if they weren't included initially. Then adjust the tolerance in the top options bar if needed. Higher values will select a broader range of similar colors. If too much of the image is selected, hold down the Alt key or Option key on Mac and click to remove those areas from the selection. And once you have the background selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. This will remove the fake transparent background, leaving only the subject of your image. Now go to Select, then Deselect, or simply press Ctrl-D on Windows or Command-D on Mac to remove the selection outline. And if there are any leftover unwanted areas, select the Eraser tool from the toolbar. Then adjust the brush size and hardness as needed, then click and drag over the unwanted parts to erase them. You can zoom in on your image by using Ctrl+ or Command+ for more precise editing. And once you're satisfied with your edits, simply go to File, Export As, and select your preferred file format, but PNG is recommended for maintaining transparency. So name your file, choose a location on your computer, and click Save. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.